Create a new project. Import background. Copy image. Ctrl+V to paste the image. Then add blur effect. Import your character image. Create a new layer. Then create a solid color layer and change color according to you. Change blending to multiply. Then create a new empty layer. Press B to select brush tool and change the color to white. Create another empty layer. Change color. Now select text tool. Write your text. Hold Ctrl and use left click to tilt the text. Adjust the text according to you. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text. Go to Layers panel, change text fill to 0. Now go to FX and select Stroke. Again press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text. Import the dollar image. Now select Marquee tool and select the dollar. Then go to Edit, Define Pattern. Create another empty layer. Go to Edit, Fill. Follow the settings. Press E for eraser. Change color to black. Ctrl+J to duplicate the money and adjust it. Create another empty layer. Press B for brush tool. Change opacity according to you. Hold Shift and select first and last layer. Then press left click and select Merge Visibles. Now go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter.